Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samson Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to send videos on TikTok message. Maybe you want to send someone a video on TikTok and you don't know how to do that. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to do that. If this is your first time, if you're coming through the channel, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we create more helpful videos like this on the channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to click on your message. See that? Yeah, I'm going to plan to send this message. And yeah, you're going to be clicking on share post. So is it that you're sending the person the videos you have liked on TikTok, or you are sending the person the videos you have posted? So in order for you to send someone a video on TikTok, you need to first post the video and send it to the person. That is the way you can send videos on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, because I've come to the very end of this video, please wait to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know or create more helpful videos like this on this channel. If you have any question or about this video on this, you can do our way to comment in the comment section. I won't hesitate to give you feedback. See you in the next one. Bye.